Hi my dear students, hope all of you are doing fine. So in the last video, many of you have doubt that Miss, this is not our computer topic, our first chapter is not this. I know you all had doubt about the last video. Actually, the video was taken for standard 5th, but I thought it is a computer basics that I have taken for them. So it is the main thing I want to teach you also. So for repeatedly taking the video, I just forwarded the same video to you also. Okay, so I think most of you are now familiar with what a computer is and what are the parts of a computer. Okay, so in the last video we have already told the answers to the questions that I have just said. What a computer is. Computer is an electronic device. How does it function? Just three processes. What is it? Input, process, output. We will give input to the computer through input devices like keyboard, mouse, and the computer will process the input given by the user through the central processing unit or CPU, and then it will give the result to the user through the output devices such as monitor, then printer, etc. Okay, so these are the things we learned in the last class. Today we are moving on to your first chapter. Before that, I want to tell you one more thing. The full computer system, we are going to divide the full computer system to two parts. What are they? The full computer system is divided into two parts, that is hardware and software. Maybe you have learned this in your previous classes. Okay, anyway, if you are remembering it or not, it's not my problem. Anyway, the computer system is divided into two parts, that is hardware and software. So what is a hardware? Hardware means anything in the computer system that we can touch with our hand is known as hardware. Which are the things we can touch with our hand in a computer system? Yes, all the peripheral devices, that is input device, central processing unit, and the output devices we can touch or feel with our hand. So all the peripheral devices in a computer system is known as hardware. Now what is software? Software means the set of programs that we give to the computer to make it perform a job, or the set of instructions that we give to the computer to make it do a job is known as software. Is it clear? Okay, so your first chapter, computer virus. This virus is also a software. See, what all things we see through the monitor of a computer, we cannot touch it with our fingers or our hands. Just we can see through our eyes. That is known as software. That is the set of programs. Okay. So the computer virus is also what? It is also a set of program, or it is a software. Okay. So this virus is an abbreviation of a long word. Abbreviation means the short form of a long word. What is the full form of virus? Vital Information Resource under SAGE. Vital, I for information, R resource, U under S SAGE. Understood? This is the full form of virus. See, our world in this 2020 is affected by a virus. But it is not a program. It is just a hardware system. Just we cannot see it, or we cannot feel it. But it is not, we are not talking about that virus. We are talking about computer virus. Okay, the situation we face is coronavirus. It's a disease. Okay, it's not any computer virus or something like that. We are talking about computer virus. Computer virus is what? It is a software program. Just we do many things in a computer, right? We do many programs in a computer. Like that, it is, this virus is also just a program in a computer, but it is very dangerous. Or the programs we do in a computer is to make the computer do some jobs. That all programs that we do in a computer are useful to us, but this virus program is very dangerous in a computer. Okay, maybe you all know this word, or you will be familiar with this word. Anyway, this virus, if our computer is affected by this virus, the computer will be damaged. Clear? So what we have to do is we should be very updated with latest antivirus programs in our computer to erase the virus, any virus that get affected to the computer. Clear? Now, how do this virus get into our computer system? See, it is just a program. Then how can it get into our computer system? How? It can get through email attachments, browsing, or chats. For example, see, virus means like coronavirus, this set of program is also, it can replicate itself. That is the second point. Replicate means it can spread itself, or it can, replicate means it can duplicate itself. Understood? For example, the damager, there are some programmers. Who are programmers? See, we are doing many programs in computer, right? But these programs are designed by some software engineers. They are known as the programmers. But some programmers work in some firms or organization to make profit for that organizations, or to make profit by themselves. So they create some programs that can make others' computer damage, or they can collect personal details from others' computer through the software they have created. Understood? That is known as the virus. This virus can replicate itself means when it get into a computer, it can spread from computer to computer, or it can duplicate itself from one computer to the next computer. Understood? That is the main characteristics of virus. Next, it can corrupt programs, delete files, erase hard drive. See, if a virus is if our computer is affected by any virus, what all damages it will do to our computer? We will be having many personal files in our computer, but this virus can delete all that personal files, or it can damage that personal files. Okay, and also all the hard drives, it can erase all the data that we stored in the hard drive of the computer. And it can collect all the personal details that we have stored in the computer system. So it is very dangerous. Next, this computer will enter into our computer. This virus will enter into our computer through emails. See, many emails will come to our email account, but we should not open any email that come from any stranger. They may have sent an attachment like virus. It may be in the form of funny games or funny pictures or videos, anything like that. Okay, so when we see that video or audio or that picture, we may be eager to open that. So we will open it. We will not think anything, or we will not think twice. Just open that funny picture or anything that attract us. But that attracted file or that attachment file will be the virus that may be sent by another person to collect or destroy our computer system. Understood? So what you have to do is, if any email comes, you should be very careful. You should not open any email from any strangers. Understood? That is the first way to spread computer to our computer system, to spread virus to our computer system. Next is you do browsing. Browsing means you search through internet, like search engines. Which are the search engines? Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, like that. We have many search engines. So we take Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox and we do searchings of many data in that browsing. That is known as browsing. That is all about email. Next is browsing. Browsing means we have many search engines in our computer. Which are the search engines? That is, which are things we use to browse data from the internet, like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. All these are known as search engines. Like if you get any assignment or if you want to know more about a topic, you will take Google Chrome and search about that topic in the internet. So this Google Chrome is the search engine you have used to search about that topic. Okay, so when you browse any data in the search engine, you will get this virus into your computer. Not from every browsing system. Maybe when you search about a topic in that software or in that program, this computer system will be attached to that software. Okay, when you open a file from the browsing window, this software will also be inbuilt in that file and it will get into your computer. That is the second way. Third way is through chat. You do many chats in your computer, right? Through chatting also, one third person, for example, you and your friend may be chatting through by typing messages, okay? But a third person in between can see your chats, and in between your chat, they can inbuilt this software or this virus to your chat messages. Understood? But you will not be familiar with that, or you will not know about it. So you will just think your friend sent it and you will open that. It may be some funny emojis or it may be some funny pictures. So you just think he or she sent me that and you will open it. It will be a virus. Understood? So these are the ways for the virus to get into our computer system, and if it enters our computer system, the person who have created it can collect all the personal information in our computer system, and also what they can delete important files from our computer system. Then they can clear out the hard disk of our computer also. So the third person who have created this virus is able to control our computer system by sitting anywhere in this world. Understood? This is virus. So what we have to do to get rid of this this virus? What we have to install latest antivirus softwares in our computer system. So if you are using computer or laptop or mobile phone, anything if you are using, there should be an antivirus tool, the latest antivirus tool in your computer system or your laptop or your mobile phones, and it should be updated recently. It should be updated. Okay, so if your system is affected by any virus, this antivirus software can clear it out. Understood? So this is all about virus, and there are many things we have to learn about virus, and we will look into that in our next class. I will give all these notes to you. You have to copy this in your notebook and submit it by the date I will give you. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.